Ensuring safety in rapidly growing urban city areas and public events is a challenging task, which requires a quick response in the case of anomalous events. Commonly, static cameras are being used for monitoring. However, video monitoring could not help much in the cases of low visibility, for example during the night, or insufficient number of cameras, which is likely to happen when cameras are fixed in position. For that reason, in this use case, we analyzed the potential of applying microphone array boards for monitoring public events. Microphone arrays can be used for detecting target sound events and finding the direction of the sound propagation, which could help to localize anomalous events in a crowd. Such a system could quickly detect accidents or other kinds of anomalous events. UNS has collected audio data using Infineon AudioHub Nano 8 microphone array board. Target anomalous events were extracted from the FSD 50K dataset: boom, gunshot, gunfire, and shatter. Staged recordings process was conducted outdoors in the city of Novi Sad due to a lack of similar datasets recorded in a complex acoustic environment, with varying ambient noise levels, weather conditions, and reverberations, i.e. in conditions that closely represent those of the real-world scenarios. Besides the microphone array board, which was used for data collection in UNS2 use case, an additional calibrated microphone was utilized within the stage recording. The additional microphone was positioned at the same place as the data capturing device in order to estimate the overall sound pressure level at the recording position. There were two recording setups. In the first, the speakers were positioned at a 5 meters distance from the recording microphone array, while in the second, the distance was 10 meters. For both recording setups, all the extracted target events were reproduced, but the speaker reproducing target event was randomly chosen for each setup. The recording process was split into 6 sessions, each session lasting approximately 75 minutes. The final dashboard for UNS2 includes several key features. One of the prominent features is the sound localization map, which visualizes the outputs of the SELD component. Each event is represented by an arrow indicating its direction, and it is displayed the type of the detected event. Along with the output of the SELD component, all audio channels are displayed in real time and could be observed by an operator. Executing the use case related to localizing sound events in crowds has yielded valuable experience and insights to the University of Novi Sad, including international collaboration with Tampere University and Infineon Technologies AG. The experience unveiled the challenges of working with outdoor sound data, including background noise, changing environmental conditions, and acoustic complexity. By integrating SELD component with other Marvel technologies as in UNS2 use case, public safety could be enhanced, and such setup could play a key role in the development of more efficient smart cities.